So Jagger Freight will be missing in action.
For 3 days, I have been lying down like a dead man.
Not a good news for those who support Jagger Freight. Not a good news for those who support NUP. It's a sad one. In a disheartening development for Kitgum municipality, Jagger Freight has been unable to submit his nomination to contest as Member of Parliament. In an explanatory video, he detailed the circumstances behind the setback, revealing that despite having fully settled all his dues with the National Unity Platform, that's NUP, his nomination documents were forcibly taken by someone, effectively preventing him from participating in the race. Jagger Freight, who had been preparing meticulously for the contest, expressed profound disappointment at the turn of events. According to him, every requirement was completed and all obligations were fulfilled. Yet, in a moment of unforeseen disruption, the critical documents needed for his nomination were removed, rendering him ineligible. This incident compounds a series of similar frustrations expressed by aspirants across the Acholi sub-region, where multiple hopeful candidates have repeatedly faced obstacles during nomination process. The removal of Jagger Freight's documents represents not only a personal setback, but also a blow to the constituency that had placed hope in his potential representation and his supporters. In his video, Jagger Freight vows to recount the full story behind the incident, emphasizing the need for clarity and justice regarding the disappearance of his nomination papers. The episode has left his supporters in Kitgum dismayed and uncertain about the integrity of the electoral process. The unfortunate circumstances surrounding Jagger Freight's nomination serve as a stark reminder of the challenges confronting candidates in the region, particularly those seeking to bring new voices into the political arena. For now, the constituency and Jagger Freight alike are left in a state of disappointment, waiting for answers and reflecting on the opportunity lost before it could even fully materialize. Jagger Freight has been a strong NUP defender online, advocacy for democracy, and he amassed a lot of followers on internet. His hope has now been shattered, and here is his explanation as to why he did not nominate.
People in Kitgum are asking, did you nominate? That's the question. So I want to tell you 4 things that happened. 1, the National Unity Platform paid my nomination fees. I have the papers. I have the receipt. National Unity Platform paid my nomination. 2, my nomination papers were removed by someone who I suppose was prepared to come and grab them. Next, all the people who were said to sign my papers, like the official agent, like the, how do we call them, nominator, seconder, I was supposed to meet them that night of Wednesday, so that on Thursday, nobody knows who will come and sign. Because I have tried almost three sets of people, they will tell me, for me, I fear things of NUP, I fear things of NUP, I fear they will beat me, I fear they will arrest me. People are fearing. To the extent that I had to meet these people at night. As I was going to meet them, the unfortunate thing happened. When my phone was removed, I could not even now communicate to the secretary. Up to now, I have not communicated to the secretary. I am devastated. I don't know what to do. I am so bit, I'm so annoyed. I feel like squeezing someone there. But I know I'm not alone. When they told me, that same day, many people did not nominate. This is the kind of Uganda that you people of NRM are saying, we have peace. This is the kind of Uganda. Other people are telling me they knew about it. It was everywhere. One person was moving around town saying if Jago nominates, she will walk naked, meaning it was a planned thing. By the time I was recording my statement, I saw some police people laugh. I even told one police woman, I told her, you laugh that this will catch up with me. I told her, I'm not cursing you, but you laugh. You're laughing that I am now crying for my paper, but this will catch up with you. I know this was not done to punish me. This was done to make sure the president of the National Unity Platform, Bobi Wine, comes to Kitgum when there is no contestant. That's what they wanted. This is not about Jago. It's not about me. It's only a fool who will think it's about me. This is a fight on Bobi Wine. Because for me, even if I don't go to parliament, doesn't matter. But we need to move. We need to remove this gulf. The struggle must continue. To those who want to annoy me, someone met me today and told me that somebody is saying you were bought. I just looked at the person. I only controlled myself. I would be in prison for another reason. I would be in police cell right now for another reason. Because I was going to strangle that person down. I was bought. With this annoyance, I was bought. That was their plan. They knew after disorganizing me, they would move around the town, spreading false propaganda so that I look a fool in front of people. They want me to look a useless person in front of people. I knew. So they have put propagandists everywhere. One thing that's annoying me so much, our own very member, our member of the National Unity Platform, people who were bought with money are now trying to conscribe me into that and make it appear that all of us, because they know I have some influence, they want to put all of us. Yes, all of us. I want to tell you, we are going to be judged by our deeds, our actions. They wanted to annoy me so that by the time Bobi Wine comes to Kitgum, I am still too annoyed to talk. They didn't want me to talk, but I had to pick myself up and stand like a man, because I know the struggle must continue, whether I am on the ballot or not. The struggle.
This also added to incidents of many missing, rumors of some people being bought, and one by the name of Nono withdrew his candidacy, writing a letter direct to Bobi Wine and posted online. When you saw Gulu City, Mungweto told youths not to waste their time and change to NRM during President Museveni's visit.
Been to every month, literally, I've been in different prisons. But when you're in problems, you are always alone, you and your family. I've been in NUP from People Power 2017 up until now. I resisted all temptations, all every other thing, because I thought NUP had a direction. But I have seen there is nothing. There is no direction NUP is leading this country to. Only confusing the young people. So, to all the young people outside there, this is the time. Come back. If there is a problem with the system, yes, we know there's a problem. But let us settle the problem from within the system, not from outside. Okay?
In Agago district, a lady by the name Josephine Latigo, who I had put her name among those who were in the race, also shifted straight away to the NRM on the very day that Museveni visited Agago for his campaign rally at Paul Lukage Memorial Stadium.
Defeated generals.
Jagger Freight also posted an audio in Acholi language in a WhatsApp group that I happen to be one of the members. He spoke, explaining briefly on the same similar incident. You can check it out.
Meta for Dano Matie, a platform Omega Any. And I'm here watching the Gemote make Commodano and Neo. Gar 40 carry away lock, Bora Patwa lock, Tata Jane Pian. And then watching the Takadon, you can lock my tech, Junior to. Chametene tiki chawa ene mefo dan mo platform kan te dan ma ange kata chungi tikere ne gigame kere no kona rueny na ng'eyo ni gubichung keda dada tijo mukane mabenda ng'eyo ni platform kan ni pegi parwa genu mo kono teme maraji kom ngamoni kono ngo ng'eyo gi yot wa ko bete ate wache ni party ka ngol ko furi wi ngato mo gimo ke ken ngat mo waje platform kan about ngamo teme ni ana timi kija piana da pe ng'eyo ilam be na ng'eyo kidong Mer wachi ni jomo timo tiche ni ber joma yupe dada fura adwa online na kombete utika no calls maduong na machima dan be renyo kichima ta ngato go na chim no kelo new number so atika time lockdown atadwa number wa number pa secretary general fudo renyo kichima Pian Secretary General ngan ma geke ma na lo ke degen ke President Bobi Wine ne ma gen no time go ni gichim ne ma ti police ka recording statement ni give a winyu ken ma team ne kede an keta wote ngwe ki boda me lolo ko boda chani di town ni wotie team ne ma gen winyu kete ma gen dong be wacha ni take it easy porro ko na you mo be do to actually president yo ber ka joka ni Jago don't go too much gimo wan ku ni to please calm down madwa ko chima yamo dano madwang to go na chim dano mer lock ida atamani fo fudun motimete ke je chunya dante go na chim je chunya take no chunya better do tak get my watch get down yani president men optika be no kid go mer pe wa ye ni wa paro yo me jole president no because of get motime ni juya wajo wa Bobi Wine be juya wajo ni this struggle is not about an individual, it's about us. Dan madruong be nyarwa, dan madruong be chaywa, dan madruong be yarwa, dan madruong be jalewa. Bar mi arpe wan mo jals the struggle. Comrades mukane ma kititij kedge mena ne kibali yobo. Wan watim gikeja. Wana ni mono joma chwingi gor, mono joma Bible wajani nyik yat mo poro utwi mabe chokoro cherchi diyo wako pedan chera nyim ana foyo pe joma tengolo copy we am bloko mope an iwinyo moto na juya wajani time will tell, time will always tell. We are not in a hurry, we are royune. Time will always tell and water will always find its level. Ngara chel banan ke teacher be judging dan kiloke awaje na ne TikTok ni ngat rotok ko di ma ro kit gumeni kiloka tie ma tilok na eni ka ke wela pange ka ngate wela chi waje ni awile ya mete kilok ko government chino do wela ngo angeni an ke welo chwinye ne wak dong pe mete kilok ko government kidong pemete ki ro tok makwa kita atim ni so am patikan ka lego ngato mo na Uganda atikan metem gen mangen ni winyo kita we na ne dek men ana tim gen na yom chun bana strictly But I don't even care. So long as I'm not team the right thing, I will do it. Even King Arachel, when you can, so long as it's the right thing, that is the most important to me. And for you, Jomatica for Rubani, Antimakuan, and Belmerfu me like a pair. And I'm Jomakan posting pair, TikTok, me penny where is Jago, can go chim about Bobby Wine, Maname, Kiyanyan, a 4 year for yellow rebound to Konyu, and can my yellow piani, near more than a yellow piri, and for you.
So that's it. The only thing I can say is, nope, I suffered in Acholi sub-region. We can't, it's difficult to understand. This is a deep politics, very difficult to understand. I think seems like the road is not clean for NUP ahead of 2026, especially in Acholi sub-region. That is the things that you can clearly predict. We will keep you updated with the twists and turns in this political arena of Uganda. Thank you.